and welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show how to fix Duolingo app not loading. If your app is not loading, what you can do is you can check your Wi-Fi, mobile data, and I'm going to turn on airplane mode for a second. Now I'm going to turn it off. Now next what you can do is tap on settings. After you tap on settings, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on app management. After you tap on app management, what you can do is tap on search. Now start typing Duolingo. Tap on Duolingo. After you tap on Duolingo, tap on storage usage and tap on clear cache. After doing this, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can uninstall and reinstall the app. Press the app, tap on uninstall. After you uninstall the app, you can install the app from Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store, tap on search. Now start typing Duolingo and you can install the app from Google Play Store. And if still it doesn't work, what you can do is check on Play Store your Duolingo app is updated or not updated. If your app is not updated, update the app. If you still have any questions, you can comment down below.